So we've got this animated scene in Blender that we've done, and we've also gone ahead and rendered every frame in the scene as individual PNGs. So now at this stage, we can turn this into a video. If you have your own video editing program that you prefer, by all means use it, but Blender does have built-in video capacities as well. So if we go up to the workspace area, we can add a workspace, and there's a video editing option that's available. And I can Shift A, select image sequence, navigate to the folder where those images are saved, select them all, and add them as an image strip. That done, by pushing spacebar or the play button, we can now see the animation in action. Now there's any number of things we can do as far as adding text or adding audio or so forth, but that's a topic for another day. For the moment, let's just check a few things. I do have it set up to end at frame 700, which is what I had. And then checking my resolution, it looks as if my resolution is set appropriately. So that done, we can, continuing in our output properties, take a closer look at things. Moving down to output, we can select where we want to save these to. I'm going to actually move up a level. I'm going to switch this over to an FMPEG video format. Under encoding, I'm going to switch this to MPEG-4. And for the video codec, I'm going to just leave it on the H.264. I will leave the output quality on medium. I will leave the encoding speed at good. I don't have any audio at this moment, so I'm just going to leave that in no audio. So that done, I should be able to just go up to render and render the animation. And it's wrapping up. So now what we can do is confirm that our video has been created. And there we are. We have a video based on what we've done in Blender. Now, while this was a rather lengthy set of videos, this is a fairly rudimentary project. There's a lot that can be done to improve it. But for the moment, I'm going to stop on this, and I will be sharing this in my Patreon account. If you would like this or like access to it, please feel free to visit there. I'll add a link below and be adding more content as time goes by. And in the future, I will probably be adding other versions of this project that are enhanced and to a higher standard. But I hope that you enjoyed this series, and I hope that some of the videos were helpful to you.